Hi there, today we're exploring the Crock Pot Artisan 8-inch enameled cast iron round skillet in Scarlet Red, designed to distribute and retain heat evenly for perfect cooking every time. This versatile skillet is ideal for searing, frying, roasting, and stir-frying, making it a must-have in your kitchen. You can use it on gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops without any issues. It's also oven-safe up to 500 degrees, so you can easily transition from stovetop to oven while cooking. The skillet's beautiful enameled finish not only adds style, but also makes serving and storing your meals convenient. Just remember to use pot holders, as it handles high heat effortlessly. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or a gourmet dish, this skillet offers durable performance and exceptional heat control. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.